Hastings. Randomly someone's like back garden. You just rock up in their back garden. But we were in Napier, so about 20 minutes from Napier, which is such a cute little Art Deco town. It got flattened in an earthquake and they rebuilt it in the 1930s to top. And so all the buildings are very like Great Gatsby, quite cute. 1920s, 1930s Art Deco, cute. And it's St. Patrick's Day, so I probably should be making like some kind of steak and Guinness stew or something. But instead, because most of Scotland will probably be in a Wetherspoons right now, we're making our Wetherspoons favourite of nachos with chilli and homemade guacamole, which is something that we always have in Wetherspoons after a drink or two. Brown the mince, onions, garlic. Chilli is the perfect campervan dish, because you could remake it so many ways. You make one pan and it'd probably do about 3-4 meals, especially for 2 people. You could chuck it into burritos. You can always have it with nachos like we have it traditionally with rice. Lots of ways you can have it. And also it's really easy to make if you're vegetarian. We use the 4-bean mix in with the mince, but also just take out the mince, just use the 4-bean mix. As a child, I absolutely hated kidney beans, so my mother cleverly used to add baked beans to her chilli, and the tomato sauce obviously from this makes it your chilli nice and sticky, which I prefer, and obviously just adds a bit more tomato. It's a Faramagan life hack, copyrighted, adding baked beans to your chilli. Then chuck in chopped tomatoes, tomato passata, and oh yeah, most importantly, chili powder. I wasn't joking when I said this would be enough for 2-3 days. Possibly most of the North Island could be fed right now. So just left that to simmer away for a wee while. And in the meantime, we're going to make the guacamole. Got the beers. Luke's profesh.
Underplan.
Cheers and nachos.
Right. So you want a little bit of this? Homemade, may I add?
On the nachos. Nah, jokes.
Nachos.
Mmm.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this is going to be so good to eat.
Yuck.
Mmm. Oh wow. That is the worst guacamole I've ever tasted. Nah, joking. That's the best guacamole.
You've ever had?
That's the best guacamole I've ever tasted. It is actually. It's really good. Better than in a tub.
Loving the little towel
Yeah,
here. This is van life, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Van
Yeah,
life.
it's green food.
What am I? Green food for Paddy's.
Paddy's Day. Happy Paddy's Day. Especially to all my Irish
You're on a
friends.
green t-shirt. And we're drinking, so yeah, happy Paddy's Day. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.